We all know the feeling. That ever-present threat of punishment hangs over our heads, keeping most of us on the straight and narrow. Traffic laws. Fear of a ticket. Rude to your boss. Potential for a reprimand. But here's the thing. Humans are clever creatures. Scare tactics might keep the average person in line, but what about the truly cunning? History is filled with examples of people who found ways to work around the rules, exploit loopholes, and leave authorities scratching their heads. Think about it. You write a law, watertight you say, but some ingenious mind comes along and figures out a way to break its spirit, if not the exact wording. It's a constant game of cat and mouse, this dance between law and human creativity. So, the question arises, can we ever truly outsmart human nature? Can we design a system of rules so perfect that even the most determined rule bender can't find a way around it? The answer, my friends, is probably not. But that doesn't mean we shouldn't try. The goal isn't to create an unbreakable cage, but to foster a society where the benefits of following the rules are clear and the punishments for breaking them are fair and effective. It's about building trust, not just fear. Because maybe, just maybe, if we create a system that works with human nature, not against it, we can finally get ahead in this game of laws and loopholes.